Sutra of the Merit and Virtue of the Past Vows of Medicine Master Vaidurya Light Tathagata. In addition, none of them will be robbed of his vital energy by evil ghosts and spirits. Those people whose vital energies have already been robbed will have their health restored, and they will be happy and at peace in body and mind. The Buddha told Manjushri, "So it is, it is exactly as you say, Manjushri. If there are good men and women of pure faith who wish to make offerings to that world-honored one, Medicine Master Vaidurya Light Tathagata, they should first make an image of that Buddha and arrange a pure and clean dais on which to place the image. Then they should strew all kinds of flowers, burn various incenses, and adorn the place with a variety of banners and streamers. For 7 days and 7 nights they should hold the 8 precepts and eat pure food. Having bathed until clean and fragrant, they should put on clean clothes. Their minds should be undefiled, without thoughts of anger and malice. Toward all sentient beings they should cherish thoughts of benevolence, peace, kindness, compassion, joy, giving, and equanimity. Playing musical instruments and singing praises, they should circumambulate to the right of the Buddha's image. Moreover, they should recall the merit and virtue of that Tathagata's past vows. They should read and recite this sutra, ponder its meaning, and lecture on and explain it. Then they will obtain whatever they seek. Those who seek a long life will attain longevity. Those who seek wealth will gain wealth. Those who seek an official position will obtain it, and those who seek a son or a daughter will have one. Moreover, if a person who suddenly has nightmares, sees ill omens, notices strange birds flocking together, or perceives many uncanny events in his dwelling, can worship and make offerings of many fine things to that world-honored one, Medicine Master Vaidurya Light Tathagata, then the nightmares, ill omens, and inauspicious things will disappear and no longer trouble him. When a person is endangered by water, fire, knives, or poison, or finds himself on a steep cliff or in a dangerous place, or faces fierce elephants, lions, tigers, wolves, bears, poisonous snakes, scorpions, centipedes, millipedes, mosquitoes, gnats, or other frightful things, if he can single-mindedly recollect, worship, and make offerings to that Buddha, he will be liberated from all those frightful things. When other countries invade, or when there are thieves or riots, if a person can recollect and worship that Tathagata, then he will be free of all of these as well.